In this part we learn about more methods in string. If you have not checked out my last part, please check, so you would better understand this part. So let us start. Ends with. Syntax for ends with is string dot ends with, then value comma start index, then end index. Let's take an example. I am taking a variable text and defining some string. My name is Rahul. Now, as we know, we have to create another variable to store this. X equal to txt dot ends with, and then I have to define which value we want to find is ends with. Like our text variable is ending with Rahul, so I put here Rahul, and I print X. So what it will give? It is giving true. It is giving the result in Boolean form, as our last string is ending with Rahul, so it is giving true. Now we copy this one and we will give start and end value. I am finding here now name, and I will give this start index 3, 7. Now what is happening? The name is starting with, the index is 3 and it's 4, 5, 6, E is 6. So as when I am giving this end index, it is excluded, so I have been giving 7. So E is 6, so it is included inside this 3 to 7. So what if we print this? It is giving true. But if I give it 6, then what it will print? It is printing false, because it is index 3 to 6 is not ending with name. It is ending with NAM, because 6 is excluded and 6 is E. So if I write here NAM, then you shift enter, then it is giving true. That means the string is ending between index 3 to 6 with NAM. This is ends with. Now we will learn expand tab method. Syntax for expand tab is string dot expand tabs with tab size in braces. Now we will take example of this. I am writing text as a variable and then string. In this we have to give spaces, tab spaces, like I am writing Rahul / /t, then I am writing name with giving / and t as to differentiate between tabs, so it will create a gap between the word characters. RA /t, then H, then /t, then U, then /t, and then L, and this is string RAHUL. I have write it here. Now what we have to give? I am defining a variable A and writing txt dot expand tabs method, and then I am nothing writing braces, and then I am defining other variable. I am copying this and b equal to, and here I am giving 2, and the same way I am copying v, b, and this is c. I am writing it here 4. I am writing it d, and it is giving, I am giving 8, and again I am copying, and this is e, and I am writing here 10. Now I am going to print. First I will print simple text txt, then I print int A, then I print B, and copying this and writing here C and here E. So what it will giving? Sorry, we have done a mistake. Expand, I have not written expand. Now if we shift enter, then look what it is giving. This is giving result like this. We have not printed D. So what it is giving? I am zooming it. Now if we see, so simple text and this expand tab A, this is same, and also the 8 number, this D, this is also same. These three are same. So means if we are defining expand tab without giving tab size, so default it is taking 8, and if we are taking 2, so this is like this is a small, very closer, and if we taking 10, so it is very gap is very large, tab size gap is very large, and in 4 this is expanding greater than 2, and 8 this is same like simple text printing or expands without tab size. So default it is taking 8. This is our expand tab method to expand the character or space between the characters in Python.